Hello guys, Silver Game of Thrones. Some new coins today, and also I want to talk about my camera. So I'm using Canon 80D, and I always play with the lenses. And you know, my previous lenses 18-35 millimeter are not so good for close video. So I tried this one. This is Canon EFS 10-18 millimeter, which is supposed to make a better close video. Okay, I can show you like this. You see, they make better close video. Cheaper, it's like $200, and they're wide format. So like if you want to make a close video, and also video overall, they're much better. So I'll try with these lenses, and you know, please let me know if this lens is better or not. I just think they have advantage, disadvantage, but as we're doing videos, and you know, I want to show coins as close as possible. I am thinking about these lenses, maybe will be better. So what do we have today? So we have today the trade dollar. The Japanese 2020 trade dollar. So there are two kind of restricts going on, as this is one of them, which is cheaper, $24 price range, and there is another one which is a Chinese restrike dollar. There are eight of them, which I'm not really fan, because mint is from Taiwan somewhere. I don't even know what the mint is. And also what I don't like, on a H, you see on a H, on every H they usually put the number. I'm not sure if this is the case. No, this is not the case. We don't have H, we don't have number, sorry, because this is not the one. But on most of coins which respectful, they have the number of your coin. Let's say if they say 10,000 and you get 1,000, 1,000 will be on the backside. But for this, Chinese strike, they don't do it. So I say, okay, I am skipping. It's too expensive. And they say, even if they say like 500 coins or 300 coins, it's a bullshit to me. I don't believe, because there are so many on eBay I see also. And you cannot be sure that they produce only 300. So this is like a price range, very good. So I start to collect them. So it's a trade dollar, okay? So let's start from beginning. The first one I think was, this is what I am trying to came up. I think the first one was from 2017, and this was British trade dollar. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I try to find the first one. I think the most close is this one. They never mention, the British trade dollar. This is the first one. This is from 2017. The second one was from 2018. It is St. Helena US trade dollar. Oh no, sorry, not this one. This one. Yes, this one. This is from 2018. By the way, they all say it is East India Company, which I'm not sure why East India, because this kind of this is for mid-late 19th century for use in trade with China and broader Asia region of the world. So maybe the company name was East India Company, right? So they use this kind of trade dollars, and they have this this British, this is US. You see the back side is changed. Now we see a little bit 2 on the back side, and then we have 2019 the Chinese trade dollar, which looking much better, with the dragon. Yes. Yeah, that's why I like these lenses, because you can make it very close, really close, right? This is not high relief coin, by the way, so it's hard to really see You know, all advantages, disadvantages, but you can understand. Chinese, looking good, huh? For $23 for sure, you know, one of the coin to get. Okay, and the last one, oops, sorry, the last one, as I said, is 2020, which is fourth release. It is Japanese restrike. I think these lenses are much better. Japanese $3. The mintage is only 5,000 coins, okay guys? So I think it's a good bet, you know, to get them for the design. Say Helena, straight dollar, silver, and it's Japanese. Nice, okay? So I have 4 coins like this, and this is what I am talking about. This is the only way, you know, in my 4 or 5 years journey, I understand that you must have collections. The only way to survive in this market is to build collections, okay? Don't buy coin one by one, buy collections. Like this, the $3, and you have collection. I don't know how many will be. So far, if someone knows, let me know, but so far they have 4 of them, and I'm building all of them, and it will be collection. And trust me, in 1, 2, 3 years, when this collection finished and someone want to buy it, they will always look for collection. No one is looking for one single coin. Okay, so another one I want to show with you is Lisa Parker. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coins of this collection. I will show you all of them. And I missed one, you know. It is, I missed fifth design. So this is the Lisa Parker series. This is from Anonymous Mint. You see, they have only 750, and they are very liquid coins. They are very liquid coins. I'm telling you, guys, forget about American Silver Eagle, forget about all this bullshit, you know, they need to buy big quantities. No, you buy in small quantities. You buy in 1,000, okay? And the price, a little bit expensive, it's like $28. But hey, you have collection. And you know, I know the first release is already gone and people paying twice. And the same will be with the full set. 1, 2, 3 years and it's double price. 1, 2, 3 years and it's double price. So this one is three silvers. So they talk about 3 oaths. These 3 creatures, you know, so beautiful. They sit near and there is a moon, and you see they're sitting closely together, perched on the long arm of 3 branch. You know, the oath uses the mythology and cultural deeply rooted in human society. So sometimes they present the omens of death, different philosophies. So it's cool to have them. So I'll just show you what I have. I have the cat. Cat is a more curious. I have cat, so cat is so cool, right? Look close. Now with these lenses I can show you close. And this wolf on a dog on the back side, it's amazing, amazing. Amazing beauty, you know, and I never see any mark, yellow crap on these coins. Then I have also the keys, the winter keys. It looked like 2 wolves are near. Very nice. This is the last one, last strike. The same wolf. And I have the rabbit, the big one also, you see on face of the moon. So beautiful coins, so beautiful design. Lisa Parker. I also want to buy a 5 ounce, but they are a little bit expensive to my taste, so I'm waiting. And I have also the dog or the wolf, you know, watching one another. Amazing, amazing, beautiful. And the last one I have is a horse, or 2 horses. 2 two horses, the kid and the mommy together. So yeah, that's a beautiful coin. In the even backside, instead of Elizabeth face, you see this kind of beauty on star, wolf on star. What can be better than such coins? Tell me. In 2-3 years, you have this collection. It's guarantee. It's guarantee. You double your money. Guarantee. Okay. Anonymous mining is very popular. So grab. This is what I am doing. I am not your financial advisor. This is what I am doing. Okay. So I'm sharing with you. Build collection. Don't build unique coins. Okay. Okay, guys. This is what I want to share. And please subscribe. Please, put your comments, what you like, how you like these lenses, okay, and I'll be doing a GAO soon, because I'm coming to 100 subscribers, probably. Thank you very much, Evil Game of Thrones, bye-bye.